Why should electrical contractors install ABB SACE Tmax XT, the next generation of innovative molded case circuit breakers, on their next commercial construction project? Hey, it's Matt from ABB, and I've got another edition of Contractor Better in 60 seconds. If you don't know already, Tmax XT circuit breakers use cutting-edge digital technology and are setting a new standard for electrical installations. They save contractors time and money while delivering safety, reliability, and quality. They are easy to install and upgrade in the field. A complete installation takes up to 40% less time. A wide range of options make it easy to customize the breakers to exactly what you need. Manage product information that you can quickly and easily access at your fingertips through the ABB Epic app. To include the Tmax XT's award-winning circuit breaker on your next project, check in with your local ABB distributor and scan the QR code to learn more. Thanks for letting me help you contractor better.